Alright, Mr. Focus. Results are in. And they don't look too good, I tell you. You got high blood pressure, type 1 diabetes, and your liver not even look too good neither.
That's it. You don't mind, I never eat lunch, so alright, good.
No, Mr. Focus, that's not it. I don't think you understand the seriousness of the situation. I recommend that you stop drinking, smoking, eating salt, sugar, and give up red meat. And start exercising, eating vegetables.
Brother, what kind of message that you put me in, man? All I'm not gonna do that.
Forever.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Mr. Focus, I don't think you understand. With diabetes, you lose a foot.
Just a foot. Just a
And
foot.
with high blood pressure, you can get a stroke and die, sir.
Listen, legends die young. R.I.P. Kobe. Listen, I have to go. That's it? Alright, later.
Your dick. You can lose your dick.
What do you mean lose?
No more pum pum. No more busting juice in belly. All of the girls are gonna laugh off of you. Gone forever. Like you said, legends die young. Kobe.
Stay with me. Stay with me. Don't leave me. Kobe. Kobe.